So my brother's painting, and I'm doing this. So I'm sketching. I think I'm doing pretty good. It looks pretty good, so let's keep sketching. And guys, they even give us a dessert and juice. I think I'm gonna do it really weird. Trust the process. Okay, this is not bad. Now we're gonna paint. So we got the paint and more paint. We got a white brush. I think we're gonna do light purple. So yeah. So we're all done with the purple. Now we're gonna get bright red. OMG, my brother's doing super good. Okay, next I'm gonna go with yellow. Half of the face. It's this part. Already done with purple and red. Minion. I don't know if I'm slaying. Kinda cool, I guess. This is the color. They're painting. I need a little snack. Now we just did the face. Next we're gonna go with blue for this part. Ta-da! I'm done with the blue. Now the lips. I'll show you the final results in 3, 2, 1. So this is the results. Well, that's it. Bye.